She's intense with common sense. One of the longest running court shows on television features a beautiful judge, Lady Judge, who gets right with the folks.
Yeah, she does. This morning, the woman who lays the gavel down is joining us from Los Angeles to tell us what to expect in coming episodes. Judge Lynn Toler, how are you?
I'm doing fine. How are you?
I'm doing pretty good. What are some of the things that lead couples to your courtroom? We hate to see couples breaking up, but you know it does happen. What gets them there?
Just about anything. I mean, lately it's been a lot of Facebook twittering and text messaging has brought them in, but it's the same old in some circumstance. Cheating, communication, sex, you name it, that's why they get divorced.
We know that money is one of the leading causes of divorce. You know, we've been through a recession for the past several years. Have you seen things change as far as the number of people who are living in misery and want to get out of it because of the recession?
Well, you know, it's interesting. In this particular recession, it had an odd effect. Mostly when things go bad, it strains a marriage and they separate. In this particular recession, the thing that you're most likely not to be able to sell is your house. So a lot of miserable people who otherwise would have divorced have stayed together because they can't afford to get rid of the only real one asset that they have.
That's dangerous.
Yeah, it is. Judge.
Oh, yeah. I mean, look at it. Deion Sanders living in the same house. It can get ugly.
Yeah,
I've seen a situation like that before. Judge Toler, you've been there, what now, 6 years? Do you learn new things as these cases come, or is it pretty much all the same for you?
I learn new stuff all of the time because when you watch enough people, you begin to see patterns, and sometimes you can see what you're doing wrong at your own house, looking at what's going wrong in somebody else's house. So I've even applied some of the stuff I've learned in court at home.
Yeah, you got a new season coming up. What can viewers expect to see this season from Divorce Court? Now, I know you're going to be sassy and looking good, but what exactly else will we see?
You're going to see me try. Couples always call the show and say, we don't want a divorce, but I want you to tell my wife she's wrong. Ooh. Can we come on the show for that? And so now we're going to do a lot more cases where they come on the show, we're not ready to divorce, but we can't get rid of this one problem. We like your advice. You need to tell him he got it wrong. And then I tell them what I think at the end of the case. So that's one of the new things that you're going to see.
Hey, Judge Toler, I just want to tell you real quickly, Ernie loves you. You are appointment TV for Ernie. That's all I want to say.
I do.
And I love you back, Ernie.
All right, thanks, Judge Toler.
She's looking forward to this.
She's my favorite, yeah.
We want you in the studio. All right.
A reminder,
Sister loves to hear that.
Judge Lynn Toler on Divorce Court right here on Fox 13, Monday through Friday, starting at 2 p.m. Then again, Tuesday through Saturday at 4 a.m. Afterwards, you can catch Good Morning Memphis at 4:30.